Embracing change, the agile advantage. The business world is a whirlwind of change, constantly evolving and shifting. Traditional project management methods often struggle to keep up. They rely on rigid plans and upfront predictions, which can be easily derailed by unforeseen circumstances. Agile project management offers a refreshing alternative. It embraces change as a constant, viewing it as an opportunity rather than a threat. Agile teams welcome new information and adjust their course accordingly. They understand that flexibility and adaptability are key to delivering value in today's dynamic environment. Imagine a team developing a new software application. In a traditional setting, they might spend months creating a detailed plan and specifications document, only to find it outdated by the time they start development. But what happens when customer needs change or a new technology emerges? The traditional plan becomes a hindrance rather than a help. Agile teams, on the other hand, work in short cycles called sprints. They deliver working pieces of the software regularly, gathering feedback along the way to ensure they are on the right track. This iterative approach allows them to adapt to change quickly and deliver a product that truly meets customer needs. By continuously integrating feedback, they ensure the final product is aligned with market demands and customer expectations. Building in increments, the power of iterations. Agile projects are all about breaking down large, complex tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. This method allows teams to focus on specific goals within a set time frame, making the workload less overwhelming and more achievable. These chunks are tackled in short, time-boxed iterations, often called sprints. Each sprint typically lasts from 1 to 4 weeks, providing a structured yet flexible approach to project management. Each sprint results in a potentially shippable product increment, a working piece of the final product. This means that by the end of each sprint, the team has something tangible to show for their efforts. This iterative approach offers several advantages. It not only keeps the team motivated by showcasing continuous progress, but also helps in maintaining a clear focus on the end goal. First, it allows for early and continuous feedback. Regular reviews and demos ensure that the product is evolving in the right direction. Instead of waiting until the end of a long project, stakeholders can see progress and provide input at regular intervals. This ongoing dialogue helps in refining the product to better meet user needs. This ensures that the project stays aligned with their expectations. Adjustments can be made on the fly, keeping the project dynamic and responsive to change. Second, iterative development reduces risk. By breaking the project into smaller parts, potential issues can be identified and mitigated early. By delivering working software frequently, teams can identify and address problems early on before they escalate into major issues. This proactive approach saves time and resources in the long run. Think of building a house. The analogy helps to visualize the benefits of iterative development. In a traditional approach, you might spend months designing and planning every detail before laying the first brick. This can lead to delays and unforeseen complications. With Agile, you would start by building a basic structure, maybe just the foundation and walls. This allows you to see the initial framework and make necessary adjustments early. Then, you would add rooms, features, and finishes in each subsequent sprint. Each addition builds upon the previous work, gradually bringing the project closer to completion. This way, you can see progress quickly and make adjustments as needed. The project evolves in a controlled yet flexible manner. You also gain the flexibility to incorporate new ideas or address unforeseen challenges. This adaptability is key to delivering a product that truly meets the needs of its users. The customer is king. Feedback as a guiding light. In the world of Agile, the customer reigns supreme. Agile methodologies prioritize customer collaboration and feedback throughout the entire project lifecycle, ensuring that the end product aligns with the customer's vision and needs. This means involving stakeholders early and often, actively seeking their input and using their feedback to guide development priorities. By doing so, teams can adapt to changes quickly and efficiently. Regular communication is paramount. Agile teams hold daily stand-up meetings to discuss progress, identify roadblocks, and stay aligned. These brief, focused meetings help keep everyone on track and ensure that any issues are addressed promptly. They also conduct sprint reviews where they demonstrate working software to stakeholders and gather feedback. This iterative process allows for continuous improvement and refinement of the product. This constant communication ensures that everyone is on the same page and that the project is moving in the right direction. It fosters a collaborative environment where ideas can be freely exchanged and evaluated. Imagine a team designing a new website. They start with initial concepts and wireframes, which are then reviewed by the client. An agile approach would involve regular meetings with the client to review designs, gather feedback on prototypes, and prioritize features. This ongoing dialogue helps ensure that the project stays aligned with the client's evolving needs. This collaborative approach ensures that the final website meets the client's needs and expectations. It also allows for adjustments to be made along the way, rather than waiting until the end to make changes. It also fosters a strong working relationship built on trust and transparency. By maintaining open lines of communication, both the team and the client can work together more effectively, leading to a successful project outcome.